Hi guys, I'm trying to record this video. I hope you guys can listen me quite clearly. And I just got my my Hobonichi, as you can see from the title. I bought some stuff from the Hobonichi store and I am so excited. It's from their official store, which is the 1101.com, the official Hobonichi store. Yep, as you can see here. So I'm so excited to open this up. Okay, how should I open this? I am so confused. Oh god. I seriously have no idea how to open this. Should I just cut from here? Sorry guys for the shadowing. I hope you guys don't mind the shadowing because oh my god, it's in green color. It's green. Okay, let's put this aside. It's green. Oh yeah. If you do not know, the 2019 one is in orange and this is in green. Oh my god, the shadowing is so bad. I'm so sorry guys. I seriously am. I will not try to let's see if I can adjust this. I'll edit this part out. Okay, the shadowing is just as bad. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. So here's the box. Nothing much about it, so let's open it up. It's apple green. As always, once words were engraved on stones, once words were exchanged from mouth to mouth, I guess people could not help it because they were so precious. We all want to keep words alive. Safety match fireplace chat. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I bought this. Sorry for the shadowing again. This is the doggy what's this called? Pencil board. And so cute. If you guys do not know, I use the what's it called, A6 size for journaling, and I did not share to you guys about my journal because it's quite private. And yeah, I usually journal in my A6 and I use Stilogy for it in my Giglio Punto cover, and I kind of enjoy it. Whatever I'm feeling that day, or I'm feeling down, or you know, I feel like whatever I want to remember to be kept as memories, so I will journal in my A6. So this is so cute. Okay, as always, my Hobonichi wigs. Okay, if you guys can see. Yep. As you can see, I bought this A6 size to go with this together. Sorry. The reason I chose this for my, is it better like this? Okay, the reason I chose this Tokyo Tower for my Hobonichi wigs is because I I went to Japan for my honeymoon and we visited the Tokyo Tower at night. I think I can post a picture over here of me with the background as the Tokyo Tower. It was amazing. I remember that day very well. It was a very long day and I got so tired, but I really wanted to see this Tokyo Tower so much. So my husband, being so nice, he searched the place, the Tokyo Tower, through Google Maps, and we walked there from the train station, and I really do enjoy that night because at first we wanted to have like a sky dining with the view of the Tokyo Tower, but the place was fully booked and the only seats left are the indoor. So I said I do not want it because it's quite expensive, the first thing. Second thing, it's not worth going to sky dining if you're not sitting at the rooftop. Am I right? Yeah, it's like indoor sky dining, which defeats the purpose. Okay, as usual, I don't know what is this. QR code for what? Okay, here's the inside. As usual, they come with this sticky side corner. You can stick it like this, or you can stick it like this, however you wanted it. Maybe like this. I did not get the Mega Wicks because I find that the regular wicks is good enough for me. And how fitting is this? It's midnight. I mean, as in, it's at night. Tokyo Tower at night, where I went to that place during at night too. Okay, they always give this every year. I do not read Japanese because I'm not Japanese. Okay, I do not read Japanese because I do not know how to read Japanese, not because I'm not Japanese. Okay, I love spring sakura tree, cherry blossom tree. I debated very hard in getting the Hobonichi Techo, the A6 size, the, what is it called? I believe it's called the planner, Hobonichi planner. I can't remember the actual name. Avec Wicks planner, yeah, the planner. I contemplated on getting the limited edition with the bear on it, but I decided against it because I need to save money and I still have my Stylogy A6, so I got this instead. It is thinner, but I think that suffices. Okay, and sorry, and it came with a pen that comes with a pen every year. So that's all from me for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy what I got from Hobonichi. I bought these 3 stuff. I think the total price, it came to about 70 Sing dollar. Oh my god, hearing that makes my heart ache. But I'm so glad about this cover. It's gonna remind me sorry, it's gonna remind me of Japan for the whole of 2020 and how we visited the Tokyo Tower in at night. And yeah, it's gonna remind me about Tokyo, about Japan, and how much I enjoyed our honeymoon, because my husband is such a nice man. He spoiled me so much during our honeymoon. Okay, that's all. Bye.